With currently an estimated 300,000 registered groups, which collectively hold a combined asset base of approximately $3.5 billion US, alternative investment through groups is one which can hardly be ignored through its role in building Kenya's economy.
To mobilize resources for purposes of developing the nation and exploiting the resources that are there, you need groups to get together. And that has worked very well in all aspects. In particular, when you talk about wealth creation, capital formation, if it is going to work outside an economic concept or definition, physically you need people to get together with the little that they have.
These groups have previously been formed through social affiliations but have evolved to become solid business entities in the likes of Trans-Century Group, which eventually ended up being listed on the Nairobi Securities Exchange in a bid to strategically align itself with Kenya's Vision 2030 development blueprint.
And one of the pillars in Vision 2030 is the social pillar. To achieve that, you've got to get people to come together and have something in common. While doing that, or attempting to achieve that, then they also share things like integrity, governance, and how well to support the community. In our experience so far, I think the groups that we are working with, those investment groups, they have also helped us to understand and connect us to the professional bodies that they are connected with. So it's a multiplicity of things.
Majority of the groups have notably been seen to initially invest in the stock market due to ease in liquidity, but with the prevailing stock market volatility, investors are shying from this option to investing in real assets.
We tried to invest in stock exchange, and but we found the change in value up and down was causing us concern. We were not sure if we were making money at all. And in many cases we found out that we were losing. So we changed to real estate, properties like this, empty pieces of land, which we appreciate very regularly. And we dispose of them and buy something else. And at the moment we are sticking to property.
From bankers to architects, teachers and businessmen, the diversity in professionalism within the group's members aids the groups towards sound decision-making on the most profitable investments to undertake.
Diversity in the group brings richness in ideas, and which are needed for a group like ours. But at the same time, you need a small group to make decisions. So we turned it into a limited company where directors, 7 of them, meet and make investment decisions. At the same time, we have regular meetings of shareholders, monthly in fact, where we get all these ideas, present also what the directors intend to invest in. And then from there we take project by project.
If I'm an engineer and I don't understand financial issues, and a member is a financial expert or guru, you help me to understand, not only for this Chama, but even in the profession that we are involved in. So to a certain extent, they leverage each other, and they join the Chamas, yes, to invest, but at the same time, to get educated. It is for that reason you find quite a number of doctors, engineers, lawyers are going for MBA. When they study MBA, it means they can also be able to support their Chamas. Rather than be in conflict, they are supplementing each other.
But what challenges do group members encounter?
Getting access to capital is another challenge, you know, or servicing the loan that you have. When we took this loan, for example, the interest rate was about 14.25. Now, when the central bank raised their CBR rate to 18, the bank shot to 24 plus base. So you had already planned your repayment at 14.25. Now it comes to 25%. That's another challenge, because how do you service that difference? A house like this, the rents are fixed. You can't come to the tenant and tell her or him that now from today on the central bank increase the rate, so you have to increase us. So you have to dig deeper into your pockets. The members may be told now you have to pay this difference, and you get it.
Going forward, investments in the real estate, money markets and other alternative investments through groups will revolutionize the way of doing business in the country. For Eye on Kenya, I'm Loise Wachira.